Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2013 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. In the circuit shown below, Q1 has negligible collector to emitter saturation voltage and the diode drops negligible voltage across it under forward bias. If VCC is plus 5 volts, X and Y are digital signals with 0 volts and 0 volts as logic 0 and VCC as logic 1, then the Boolean expression for Z is, what is the Boolean expression we are going to get for Z in terms of X and Y, that we are going to finalize. So what was given is nothing but normally VCE saturation, it was given VCE saturation is going to be given as 0 volts and forward bias voltage VD under forward bias, that is whenever it is in the on condition, is also 0 volts. And we know that the given transistor is of NPN type. NPN implies nothing but you must apply some positive voltage to make this Q1 turn on. So this NPN transistor will be turned on whenever you apply logic 1. And this is the diode. Diode will be forward bias whenever P side of the diode is more positive than N side. Okay, diode is forward bias whenever P side is more positive than N side. So based on these two conditions, now we will see what is the final expression for Z in terms of X and Y. So these are the inputs we can apply. X and Y are going to be inputs. X and Y are inputs, and depending on the X and Y, what will be the happens for Q1 transistor as well as diode D, whether they will be in the on condition or off condition. So that what will be the value for Z, that also we will finalize. This is what we are going to say. So the possibilities are nothing but X and Y can be 0, 0. X is equal to 0 is nothing but logic 0 you are applying for NPN transistor, so that it will be in the off condition. Okay, and for diode you are applying Y. Y is equal to 0. 0 volts you are applying for the diode, and P side is connected with VCC. That implies nothing but diode will be under forward bias. Diode will be under forward bias. Forward bias is nothing but on condition. So diode is on condition, Q1 is off. By that time diode is acting as short circuit. Short circuit implies nothing but Z is equal to Y. So Z value will be equal to Y, and the present Y value is nothing but 0. Are you getting this point? Now whenever the diode is under forward bias, it acts as short circuit, so that Z is directly connected to Y. The Y value will be the output, but the Y value at this situation is nothing but 0. I am writing it as 0 in brackets. Next 0, 1. Whenever you are applying 0, 1, Q1 is going to be in the off condition because Q1 is NPN transistor, and diode D1 is going to be in the reverse bias, that is nothing but off condition. Why reverse bias? Since Y is going to be given as logic 1. Logic 1 is nothing but VCC. VCC towards N side is nothing but that is making the diode reverse bias, because P side is given with VCC along with some voltage drop. So voltage across this one is always less than VCC, whereas what you are giving is nothing but VCC at Y. So this diode is going to be now having more positive voltage on N side, so that the diode will be reverse bias. Under reverse bias it acts as off switch. So now the situation is diode is off as well as transistor is off, so that simply no current flows because both are in the off condition. No current flows, so there is no voltage drop across this R1. Total VCC will be available across Z. Z will be equal to VCC. So VCC will be your Z, so that implies nothing but logic 1 is the output. Next, for 1-0 combination. 1-0 combination, transistor will be in the on condition and diode will be in the on condition. You are applying logic 1, that is plus VCC towards NPN transistor base, so that it will be in the on condition, and Y is equal to 0. 0 volts for the N side is making the diode into forward bias. So both are in the on condition. By that time you can think with respect to Q1, you can think Z is connected to ground. Z is connected to ground. Ground is nothing but in our case it is 0. Otherwise with respect to diode you can think Z is connected to Y. Y is nothing but again the value of Y is nothing but 0 only. If you are going through transistor or through diode, the value present at the output is 0 only. Next, consider 1-1 condition. Whenever it is 1-1 condition, transistor will be in the on condition and diode will be in the off condition. Okay. So by this time diode will be disconnected from Z and Z is connected through this transistor on condition towards ground. So the output will be ground and that is nothing but 0 volts. Now we can write a simplified truth table XYZ in this way. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For this one, for 0 0 output is 0, for 0 1 output is 1, for 1 0 output is 0, for 1 1 output is 0. So Z is only high for this minterm. So Z is equal to X bar Y. This is the right answer. So the correct option for this one is nothing but X or Y. So B is the right answer. X bar Y is nothing but right answer. Thank you.